cybersecurity has become more and more important and critical nowadays because of the digital era that we are living now. So as all of us know that it's still male-dominated area, and that's why we are trying to engage more and more female to this area through this kind of activities and events, to that we make them aware of the importance of cybersecurity and to explore different opportunities in this field, which women can actually thrive in it.
We've learned how to structure an investigation on cyber attacks and how to lay it out in a table for a judge.
What we've learned today is how to analyze files and how to access deleted files and history, and how to lay it out for the judge.
Our university is actually keen on supporting this kind of events and activities, and that to be evident through the whole year events, like we encourage schools to have school visits, visit our labs, explore the cybersecurity field more and more. Also, the university is supporting with our industrial partners, and that would make them explore this area more.